This video covers working with unmatched items and producing a reconciliation report. In video 2, we looked at matching records using BankRec's automated matching rules in the manual matching window shown here. In this example, we have 4 unmatched bank records on the left and 6 unmatched general ledger records on the right. No more manual matches can be made at this point, so we need to move on to the unmatched records window. While the unmatched records window is similar to the matching window, they both show the same records. The unmatched records window has an additional exception column explaining why each record remains unmatched. In the exception column, we can see some of the reasons why these records didn't match. Check cleared the bank, no available GL record, bank amount differs from GL amount, unrecorded bank withdrawal, etc. As an example, in this report, check number 47238 has cleared the bank for over $11,000, but we only wrote the check for $1,500. Our matching routine correctly won't match these out-of-balance records, but BankRec doesn't leave you on your own to figure out what happened. Unique to our software, BankRec does some of the detective work for you and marks the unmatched records with exception descriptions. Exception descriptions help you in 2 ways. First, they save you time. Rather than simply listing the unmatched records you need to research, exception descriptions explain why a match could not be made. And second, they help you prioritize and attack high-exposure items first, such as possible bank errors or fraud. Like all BankRec reports in our reporting grid, you can customize, filter, and export all of these reports. Let's say I wanted to export this unmatched records report to Excel without my outstanding checks. With Excel-style filtering, I can uncheck outstanding checks and then select Export to Excel. Remember, you can import, match, and run these reports daily. Many users, especially those concentrating on cash and control, only need BankRec's features up to the unmatched records report as the basis for their reporting. However, if you're more focused on month-end financial reporting, you'll want to use our reconciliation report. Start the reconciliation report by going to View, Reconciliation Report. I'll enter the period being reconciled, the bank and general ledger balances, and then Run Report. This creates a classic 2-sided bank reconciliation report. If you're out of balance, go to the reconciliation wizard at the bottom of the screen. It can get you in balance. Want to export to Excel or PDF? Select Standard Reporting, and the report will display in our reporting grid. You can now export to Excel or to a PDF. Once the reconciliation report is run successfully, BankRec closes that period and protects records from that period ending date and earlier. If you need to reopen a period, you can do so from the Periods report. Additional reports are available from the Reports drop-down menu, including All Reports, Bank Only, GL Only, Unmatched Items, Matched Only, Outstanding Checks, and Periods. Need assistance? Please contact our support department. Phone support is available even if you haven't licensed our product.